Natasha, aka Everyday Monet, and I just finished doing a tutorial with the Natasha Denona Sunset palette. 15 shades, various finishes. This is a very pricey palette. It does retail for $129. I don't have another palette like this in my collection, and so I wanted to do a tutorial with it for all of you that have this and love this and want to see you know, the types of looks. This is the look I came up with. And it's interesting because this shade in here, I did sort of this halo with the red, so you can see the red here and a little bit here, and then it's very pigmented, and so I went in with this shade here, and then I went in with this white shade for like a white inner corner highlight, and it actually kind of turned pink, which I'm not mad at. I wasn't expecting, but I'm not mad at. So we'll get into the tutorial. is my final complete look. I am happy with the look. I have to say that. I am happy with the look. This is the first time I've used this palette for a complete look. So I want to use it a few more times. But as of right now, I love the look. I love the pigmentation. I really enjoyed the shadows. There is a lot of fallout. You saw in the tutorial, there is a lot of fallout with these shadows. Some of them I haven't used, so I'm going to try and do more of like a yellowy gold look. I wish there was more mattes in here, for one, because like these two shades would be great in the crease, and I did work them into the crease, but there is sort of a, you can see, they're more satin, and so I really wish they were more true matte. You know, I really enjoy it. Would I purchase another Natasha Denona palette at this price point? No, I wouldn't. I'm going to love this one and I'm going to enjoy it, but I don't think it's worth the price. I have some other palettes that I absolutely love and are similar color schemes and finishes, and you know, I'm getting into some of these more bargain brands or indie brands, you know, Juvia's Place and things like that, and I just think you can find similar shadows for way cheaper. They're good. I love them. I will enjoy them. I wouldn't spend that type of money on eyeshadow palette again. So those are my 2 cents, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like these types of videos, give me a thumbs up. If you want to become one of my little Monets, just go ahead and hit subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Have a super day. Bye.